अरे आ गया
नहीं मम्मी yesterday है। अच्छा अच्छा अरे ऐसे नहीं मम्मी यार दिव्य 13
हर्षिता, गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा। बेटा गुड मॉर्निंग।
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग। गुड मॉर्निंग रंशीर।
We can't join heavy.
यस,
Ma'am,
व्हाट डिड यू से?
ma'am, मैं क्लास मैम गलती से मत खुला रह गया, मैं बोला था क्लास ज्वाइन होगी।
हाँ, ओके, टुडे विल डू रिविजन्स, राइट? हाँ, जी बेटा।
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can we have the cameras on? Rajnandni, good morning. Okay,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. So how was the test? First test?
Ma'am, very good.
Good, very nice. Ranshir is all smiling. That means his test went very good, right?
Ma'am, you can say Escalante.
Excellent. Okay, it was DK, I
I
believe.
will top.
Okay. What about Rajnandini?
Very bad.
Why?
मैम उसके तो मस्ती से तालू लगे हुए हैं।
But why very bad? Huh?
मैम इसको कुछ पेजेस, मैम जीके कुछ चैप्टर्स ही होते, कुछ पेजेस होते, इसको कुछ पेजेस याद नहीं आ रहे हैं।
And what about Harshita?
One who was saying that maybe मुझे आ नहीं रहा है.
Okay.
Now I don't know how the exam was good. Why is that?
Good morning, ma'am. मैम एग्जाम के स्टार्टिंग में मैं इतना डरा हुआ था ना, सोचा क्या होगा, मैं फेल होऊंगा।
मैम मैं स्टार्टिंग में क्या थी इसके बाद
फिर देखो सारे क्वेश्चंस वही हैं जो मुझे आते थे, एक भी क्वेश्चन वो नहीं है जो मुझे नहीं आते।
That is really
मैम मैं एग्जाम से पहले डरी थी, इसके बाद डर गई।
okay. Good. Chalo. So we'll do revisions, right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Zainab. How are you, beta?
Ma'am, fine. How are you?
I am also good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Urvashi.
Ma'am, somebody has started screen sharing.
I am sharing it, beta.
Ma'am, your name is Yashish Tabs 6S6 Lite.
I have not changed the name. It is my son uses it. No.
Oh.
I hope the screen is clear now. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
it
Ma'am,
is
for that I
totally
would like to
blank.
say something.
Who wants to say?
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes, Ranshir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Say.
Ma'am, you could also have screen shared from your phone.
I can share from my phone. Means I didn't get you
Yes,
what you're saying.
ma'am, you can also screen share from your phone, other than your son's iPhone.
That is fine, but like I take my class from the laptop, no, so I won't be able to use the board. I need to use
Okay,
the
ma'am.
right. Okay, give me a minute. I'll just get the book. Huh?
Ma'am, we have to do the revision.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Urvashi.
ma'am,
Say.
Ma'am, we have to do this revision on copy. It will be written on oral.
Yeah, you need to write the answers in the notebook. In your geography notebook, write today's date. Right? Geography. Chapter 1, revision. I hope it is clear.
Ma'am, it will be a written on oral.
It will be a what? Classes will be regular now.
Written on oral.
I didn't get you what you're saying.
Ma'am, it will be written.
It will be written only. Right? See, I will write the questions here. You will write the answers. Fine? Fine?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Your first question is? Discovery of petroleum deposits in these countries have turned them into rich nations. Name any two such nations. I hope the question is clear to all of you.
yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, second one.
Ma'am, we have to write the questions also.
You don't have to write the question. You simply have to write the answer. I'll be sharing the questions with you in the class group, right? Done?
Ma'am, what was the second question?
Ma'am, only these 4 answers are there.
No, no. Some more are there.
Ma'am, please show the first one.
First one is discovery of petroleum deposits in these countries have turned them into rich nations. Name any 2 such nations. Yes, fifth one is hello. Good morning. कौन
Yes,
बोल रहा है?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Basis of their renewability.
Ma'am, please go question number.
The rate at which resources are produced is called dash.
Ma'am, productive.
Okay, you are not supposed to tell the answer.
Ma'am, please.
Yes,
show
ma'am. Okay,
the
ma'am.
Haan,
question number 6.
Okay.
Ma'am, I don't know question 6.
You don't know which question? Which question, beta?
Please, ma'am, I think I don't know the answer of question number 6.
It is okay, no problems. Others you
Ma'am, seventh one.
okay, seventh one.
Ma'am, I forgot the other half of the ninth one.
Human resource includes the dash and dash of the people.
Ma'am, I forgot the second word. Process. Ma'am, I forgot the second word. Procession.
Both the
Procession.
words start from the same alphabet. And
Yes,
there is
ma'am, that I know.
Ma'am, what is the 14th question written?
what is the
14th question.
we must not waste sorry our natural resources. right?
Yes. And there are 15 questions.
Yes, these are 50.
Ma'am, please for 13.
13.
I'm done.
Shall we discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
All have done?
Ma'am, 8 and 9 question. Please show.
Huh?
Ma'am, please show 8 and 9 question.
Just a second. 8th and 9th. Okay. Done? All have done? Beta, send your answers on the class group. Send your answers on the class group. क्या हो गया? Okay, shall we discuss the answers?
Ma'am, please wait. I am sending.
Okay.
Ma'am, Cindy.
Shall we discuss, class? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The first question was discovery of petroleum deposits in these countries have turned them into rich nations. Name any two such nations. Ayushman? Yes,
Mhm.
Ayushman? Answer?
Ma'am, Saudi Arabia and Kuwait.
Okay. What about Urvashi? What have you written, beta? Harshita?
Ma'am, I have also done.
Yes, Urvashi, tell the answer.
Ma'am, Saudi Arabia and Kuwait.
Okay. Ranshid?
Ma'am, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela.
Peninsula?
No, ma'am, Peninsula is not there.
Peninsula is not there, beta. Chali.
Ma'am, can
Next, Ranshid, have you written the answer? Okay, on the second is resources can be classified into dash, dash, and dash resources. Do we have Rajnandini in the class?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Urvashi, tell beta.
Ma'am, the answer is natural, human made.
Ha. Natural, human, and human made. Next
Human
was
made.
dash resources are obtained from living organisms. Yes, Harshita?
Ma'am, biotic resources.
Very good. Biotic resources. Then on the basis of origin, natural resources can be classified as dash and dash resources. Yes, Rajnandini?
Ma'am, this I don't know.
Huh? You don't know?
Yeah.
Yes, Harshita knows.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, renewable resources and non-renewable.
No. It is biotic.
Biotic and
Oh, ma'am, sorry, ma'am, I told the answer of fifth one.
You have written the answer also. Then next is dash and dash are classified on the basis of their renewability. Dash and dash are classified on the basis of their renewability. Which resources are classified? Yes, Anshuman. Anshuman.
ma'am, renewable and non-renewable.
Yes, renewable and non-renewable. Very good. Right? Renewable and non-renewable resources are classified on the basis of their renewability. Next is some resources like dash, dash, and dash do not get exhausted even after continuous use. Harshita?
Wind, water, and sunlight.
Okay. Wind, water, and sunlight, they do not get exhausted even after continuous use. Very good. Then seventh one. Potential and actual resources are classified on the basis of their. Yes, Ayushman?
Ma'am, development.
Basis of their stage of development or development, it is okay. Next, waterfalls are a potential resource for this country. Which country? Yes, Harshita?
Ma'am, I don't know the answer of this.
Anshuman knows this answer?
Ma'am, Africa.
Okay, Africa. Very good. It is correct. Well done. Next is human resource includes the dash and dash of the people. Yes, Harshita.
Ma'am, in first one quantity and second quality.
Very good. It is the quality and the quantity of the people. Very good. Next is gold jewelry cannot be recycled. True or false? Harshita.
Ma'am, you left the one question.
Sorry. The rate at which resources are produced is called? Yes.
Productivity.
Productivity. Very good. Next is gold jewelry cannot be recycled. True or false? Anshuman.
Ma'am, false.
False. It can be renewed. It can be recycled. Dam is an example of human-made resource. True or false?
True.
It is true. Dam is an example of human-made resource. It is true. Sunlight is an exhaustible resource. True or false? Sunlight is an exhaustible resource. True or false?
Ma'am,
Yes,
which
yes.
question number it is?
Anshuman, 13th.
Ma'am, false.
False? Yes. Sunlight is an inexhaustible resource. We must not waste our natural resources. True or false?
True.
It is true. Fossil fuels can be recycled after use. True or false?
False.
It is false.
Ma'am, false.
False.
Yes, it is false. They cannot be.
Ma'am, all the answers are given by me and Anshuman.
Others are not responding. Their cameras are also not open. What to do? Okay, now for 2-3 classes that we have, we'll be simply revising the chapter, right? Right? Between the chapter, I'll be giving you questions, okay? Fine, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Chaliye, take care. All the best for your next exam. Tomorrow